Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation building and sustainable development. And now, today's event. International Mountain Day. Have you ever looked up at a mountain and wondered what stories it holds? Mountains give us water, food, clean air, and yet, they are among the most vulnerable places on Earth. Many mountain communities are struggling to survive. But together, we can protect their future. Stay tuned to the end, as we discover the beauty, struggles, and strength of the mountains and the people who live among them. Theme: Restoring Mountain Ecosystems for a Resilient Future. International Mountain Day is celebrated every year on December 11th. It was officially adopted by the United Nations in 2003 to raise awareness about the importance of mountains to life, and the challenges faced by mountain communities. This year's theme: Restoring Mountain Ecosystems for a Resilient Future. This year's message is clear. We must care for the mountains if we want to protect the people and resources that depend on them, from water and food to culture and climate. If you believe mountains are the pillars of life and adventure, share this video to protect and celebrate these majestic wonders of our planet. Why mountains matter? Mountains cover about 27% of the Earth's land and are home to more than 1 billion people. They provide 60 to 80% of the world's freshwater, protect biodiversity, and offer a peaceful place for spiritual, cultural, and recreational activities. But today, many mountain areas are facing deforestation, climate change, poverty, and displacement. Protecting mountains means protecting our future. Just a quick break, please. If you are gaining something from this and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more inspiring global events. Subscription is absolutely free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Stories of Impact. Testimony 1. Daniel's story, Nepal. My name is Daniel. I grew up in a small mountain village where farming was becoming harder every year. But when a local group taught us how to plant trees and protect our water sources, our land slowly healed. Now, our children have enough food, and I train others to do the same. Testimony 2. Mariam's story, Morocco. I'm Mariam. I used to carry water down a steep path every morning. But thanks to a mountain conservation project, we now have clean water flowing into our village. I also joined a program that supports mountain women in starting small eco-tourism businesses. Mountains gave me back my hope. Achievements so far: since its creation, International Mountain Day has helped bring global attention to mountain issues. The Mountain Partnership, led by the UN, now supports sustainable farming, ecotourism, climate action, and education in mountain regions. More countries are adopting laws to protect mountain forests and water. Thanking the unsung heroes, to the local farmers, forest rangers, volunteers, mountain guides, and indigenous communities who quietly protect the mountains every day, thank you. Your work may not always make the news, but you are the reason the mountains are still standing strong. You are guardians of the earth. A call to action: if you've never supported mountain conservation before, now is the time. You can plant a tree, raise awareness, support mountain products, or even visit and respect a mountain community. Just a quick reminder: if you believe mountains are the pillars of life and adventure, share this video to protect and celebrate these majestic wonders of our planet. No action is too small. Mountains give us so much. It's time we give back. Together, let's protect the peaks that protect us. Happy International Mountain Day 2025. Mountains matter to all of us. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes, the local farmers, forest rangers, volunteers, mountain guides, and indigenous communities who quietly protect the mountains every day. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbe Tere. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. The 12th of December, International Day of Neutrality. The 12th of December, International Universal Health Coverage Day. The 18th of December, International Migrants Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.